Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today will be another DIY video. But this video is very special to me because I am making it for our essential people who are helping us through this tough time, and especially a group of people that is going to be mentioned in this video, the truck drivers. And I am getting very emotional when I was recording this video because it is very personal to me, because my daddy is the truck driver and he has been working non-stop. He's driving a big semi Volvo truck, and he's been working non-stop to make sure our country gets what we need during this difficult time that we're all going through. So I decided to make something like a token of appreciation for him and a couple of his friends, and I hope he would like it. He is my hero. I always looking up to him. I am proud to have a dad like that, and I love him very much, and I'm waiting for him to come home. He's coming home occasionally. So far I have seen him only 3 times since March. He stopped by to pick up his essentials that he needs. I am providing the supplies for him because he cannot just stop at any store and go get it, because first of all, they're not available, and second of all, with the 18-wheeler you cannot get to any store you would like. So I provide him all the essentials that he needs, along with the food. If he wants something homemade, I make sure it's all done before he comes home. Also, I am giving him extra supplies so he can give it to his friends, the truck drivers who need it and cannot get to it. So let's and also I would like next part of this video will be in Ukrainian. I wanted to make a special to my dad, even though he speaks English. I wanted to be in a native language because we are from Ukraine, but we live here in US. I'm US citizen and he's working on it. So if you want to skip through it, guys, you're welcome to, and get on with the DIY. But if you would like to listen it, this is a special message for my daddy. Привет, пап. Я розумію, що ти зараз у дорозі і не маєш часу це подивитися. Ти знаєш, що ти будеш дивитися це, коли в тебе є трошки перерва. Но я хочу дуже тобі сказати, що може ми не так часто виражаємося. Це я тебе дуже люблю і ми тебе дуже вдома чекаємо. Дякую тобі за все, що ти робиш. Ти для мене дуже важлива людина. І завжди я хочу тобі, щоб ти знав, що ми тебе завжди вдома чекаємо. Тобі не треба ніякої причини, щоб приїхати додому. Я знаю, що Діня теж. Будь ласка, приїжджай додому. І велика тобі подяка за все, що ти робиш для нас і для країни, в якої ми живемо. Я знаю, як тяжко тобі бути в траку самому. І я хочу, щоб ти знав, що ми, може, не часто це дуже говоримо тобі, але ми тебе дуже любимо, дуже пишаємося, що ти в нас такий батько. Всі твої поради, вони дуже важливі до мене, і я завжди з розумінням відношуся і беру їх до серця. Все, як ти мене підтримуєш і що ти мені радиш. Ти знаєш, що я тебе дуже хочу, щоб ти знав. Будь обережний на дорозі. Ми тебе дуже любимо і дуже чекаємо усі. Приїжджай скоріше додому. Okay, so for this project we'll need a 14-inch wreath from the Dollar Tree and 2 of each colors, 2 blue and 2 silver. And I print out this Volvo semi truck because this is what my daddy's driving, so this is what I'll be using. And I measured it and cut out the cardboard for it, so this is going to be the middle of the wreath. And I will have the saying here that I'm still, I'll show you what I am gonna put it there. And then my daughter helped me cut this out. Again, this is from just boxes, you know, like Amazon boxes, and I printed out. So 3 of the signs. So it's gonna be really easy, really cute wreath. And the mash, as always, I pre-cut before I start rolling all of it, and it is 7-inch long. So, and of course, to tie the mash, I'll be using my I don't know, like a twisters. There's a bunch of them at the Dollar Tree. So I usually don't care what color I use because you can't see them under the mash anyway. So let's start working on this one. Okay guys, I pre-cut this 7-inch long, and what we're gonna do, we're gonna use some of the, I call it twisters. This is from Dollar Tree. They have a bunch of different colors, and all I did, I had them very, like the long one that they come very long, so I cut them in the middle, and that's what I got. First I'm gonna use the leftovers that I had, and then if I need more, I will I'll cut some more. So, but for this one, all you're gonna do is, this is your mash. All you're gonna do is you're gonna roll it this way. So, just like that. And we kind of get in something like this. So then what I do, I twist it in the middle. Kind of bend it like this. So this is our one petal, and then I will be taking turns between blue and a silver. So same thing with the silver. You can roll it this way, it really doesn't matter, but if you do it this way, it kind of gives it a little bit of different look. So I have done it both ways, and I kind of want to try it this way because I liked how it looked. It looked more kind of, you know, I don't know how to explain it, but this is, so then again, tie it right in the middle, and then you take your wreath form and you tie it on the middle of this too. So all you do is push them through, then turn it around and tie this little twist, like twisting. So, and then you just continue going with it. So what I'll do one of each and all the way around. Okay, so this is how the wreath looks. I think it turned out really cute, and it's gonna be perfect for the middle. So what I'll do with this now, so the wreath is done. Now I'm gonna work on the decorating it. So I'm gonna use my Elmer's glue to glue this piece to it. Same with this 3 little logos for the semis. And I will Mod Podge it over. Okay, so for this project we'll need a red, a black, and a silver mesh. And as always, I will be pre-cutting them on my handy dandy board with a 7-inch long using my knife. Okay guys, so I used my stencil to cut the shape of this truck, and I'm gonna glue it using my elm glue, and I'm going to Mod Podge over this. Okay, so my decorations are ready. As you can tell, I outline everything, so no rough edges. So with this, the other emblem and the wreath. And now I was gonna put it right in the middle, but no, because I got 3 emblem signs, so I kind of want it to be, hold on, let me make it a little farther so you can see it to go like this. So that's why I'm gonna slide it to the side. And of course, for all that, I'll be using my mini Sharebanda 5-point glue gun. So this is what we're gonna do right now. Well, that was all for today. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I am going to donate my crafts that I created today. One would be directly to my dad, and a couple of other ones to his friends. So he really liked it. I already showed my dad what I have made, and he wants to put it on his truck when he's driving, and he said his friends would love it, and I thought it turned out pretty cool, and as my little token of appreciation for all the work that the truck drivers do for all of us. And I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget, there's a playlist with my friends who are participating in this challenge for the boys, and everything will be linked in the description below. But that is all for today. If you're one of my new people, please let me know in the comments below. I would love to welcome you to my family. And if you want to my returning, thank you so much for coming back. Love you guys very much. And I will see you in the next one real soon. Bye for now.